final session of the conference, I'm going to try and draw together the themes of leading learning, quality and equity, particularly in the context of the work that I've been doing as National Pupil Premium Champion, and giving schools some further guidance about what works with the Pupil Premium, how you put the strategies in place. What I can't do, of course, is tell schools which strategies will work best in their particular situation. But I think if schools approach this with a degree of confidence, because we are making a difference. Primary schools have already made a substantial difference with Pupil Premium. Secondary schools have made a smaller difference, but the trend is in the right direction. And the message I shall try to get across to people this afternoon is, in the positive climate that we've had for the 2 days of this conference, look at this as a real challenge for our generation of school leaders that we really are up for. And in doing that, take some ownership of accountability, take some ownership of curriculum development, and use these things and the massive amount of evidence that there is now of what works on Pupil Premium to put strategies in place in your school that really help youngsters to overcome the barriers to learning. And while you're doing that, think not just about closing the gap in your school, but think about the more challenging gap between your school and what's going on nationally. Because there are about 1 in 6 schools in the country where the attainment of disadvantaged children is actually above the national average for all children. So it can be done. And I think the kind of confidence that people will go away from this conference with, I hope will be bolstered by a session at the end that says, yes, actually quality and equity are not only possible, but they're essential parts of a really successful school.